So we have seven special verbs that were created in our culture by our people, and to live life in a good way, because there was a time when our people became very weak, and just falling down, a person could die. That's how fragile they became, because the way they were living morally, they weren't taking care of one another. And the Great Spirit came amongst our tribe and said, you have to change your morality. So he addressed seven spirits came out of the ocean into the lodges of the people, and instructed them the way they had to live. And each grandfather was a spirit that came forward with a vessel, presented it to the people, touched one of their people in the shoulder with it, and the people got it. The first grandfather stepped up and he said, I give you gipi mene gut saki itiwin. I give you love. Love is one of the teachings. Taught them all about love. It went into that human. Then the next grandfather went up to the next one and said, I give you gipi mene gut manata jikewin. I give you respect. The teaching of respect. Then the next grandfather came forward. Gipi mene gut agasenimwin. I give you humility. Taught them more humility. What animal represents humility? They could learn that from. The next grandfather spoke up and he said, Gipi mene gut Kåven. I give you wisdom. Then the next grandfather came up and says, Gipi mene gut Kåven, which is wisdom.
Okay.
Then he said, Debuetum, which is truth. Okay? Then the next one gave him, he said, Gipi mene gut agasenimwin. I give you humility, to be humble. So the grandfather teachings were given to us for respect, love, truth, courage, courage, manata jigewin, respect, agasenimwin, humility, zaki itiwin, love. So we follow these teachings, and in a good way, it helps our people to thrive better. So 15 years ago, I introduced them into our school, our public school.
Okay.
Where now it's a common thing. So when we teach our children, we ask them, when they're doing something we don't want, they shouldn't be doing, we ask them this: how does that fit with the seventh grandfather teachings? And they quickly realize it doesn't.